Hi, I'm starting a STAAD model construction for the G+3 building which we have discussed in our last class. New project, space frame, give it some number, make sure its location is okay, and units. The model construction happens in three stages. One is the geometry, and second, application of the load. Third, your analysis and design, which also cover the reading outputs. So in the first stage we are going to construct the geometry of the building. Take irregular, we can give whatever the grid spacings we want. Simple. Important plane, you put it XZ, that is base of our model in STAAD. Then you have to highlight the grid, go to top view. Now start the frame line diagram of our building in plan. If you want to move your cursor without drawing the line, you have to use control. Check out the node numbers. Okay. I use Control Shift N for checking the node numbers. We can do the renumbering later on once the complete structure is constructed. Right now, let us concentrate on making our structure. Now the ground floor beam layout has been plotted. Control A, Control Z, Control V. 3 meters. I got my first floor. Control V. No, I don't want to go to next floors. I will complete the geometry for this part. Go to the nodes cursor. Control A. All the nodes are selected. Geometry. Connect beams along y-axis. Yes, my columns are generated automatically. Then go to till here it is sufficient. What we do now is go to general, view the properties, define the properties. Rectangle 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then our beam section 0.45, 1, 2, 3. Remember, YD is the depth and ZD is the width. You must know the local axis and global axis system that STAAD is following. We'll have a discussion on that. View the entire structure. Select beams parallel to y-axis. Assign. Now select beams parallel to. No. Can use another selection option. Selection by missing attributes, missing properties. Assign. But one thing that we did not take care of is the releases. What we can do for the releases is take out the first floor, view selected objects only. Now you can press Shift E. This will give the starting and ending point. Green is the starting point and blue is the ending line. So go to the specifications, beam, start MZ, add beam and MZ, add. Select your start MZ, select the beams where you want to release it. Green, here I have to release. Assign. Yeah, I think our releases are all assigned. We can unhighlight it, Shift T, just we can see the releases. Okay, here it is missing. It might be, just let me check whether it is starting. It is starting. Start, assign. Okay. I don't want to again select all the, use this actually my beam layout is same for all the floors, so I have this advantage of copying only that floor to all others. Now I have to assign the releases for the ground floor fence beams. I don't want to do that. I don't want to take that much effort, so I'm deleting them. Select the floor, copy, paste. That is a Control C and Control V, and it is -3. Twin beams are automatically generated. Now we have to generate G+2 and G+3. Control C, Control V. 3. Again Control V. 6. That's it. The thing left over is, you can select all the nodes at ground floor, copy, paste, -1.5 for our foundation. Nodes are generated. Now select all these nodes, geometry, connect beams along y-axis. 9 columns are generated. You can see the 3D model of our structure. Now the leftover thing is, now you can see all the proper, there is no missing property also. Geometry, just check these 2 checks you must perform. Land, missing property of column, this thing is missing, so select that, select by missing property, assign. Okay, now everything got assigned. Now the specifications were also given. Now the support. Take the front view, create, bend, add, assign. Okay, the supports are